Hey you guys, I am so excited to hop on and show you the cutest little digital camera that I just got sent. This thing is awesome and I am excited to show you all of the features of it. My kiddos are so excited about this. So first of all, it's just this really pretty pink, which I absolutely love. It's 44 megapixels and it comes with a 32 gigabyte memory card, which is actually so nice. I feel like a lot of times these don't come with memory cards, so then you have to buy something separate, which is frustrating. So really fun and super cute. Looks just like this. Here's what the back looks like. You have all of your controls and options right here. Your button to take pictures is here, as well as power button right here. Now this thing is fun because you can take pictures or videos, which is a really fun feature. I love that. My kids are all about like the vlogging and they like to take videos of what they're doing. And so they are loving this. It is so fun. So this is where you're gonna insert the card as well as the battery. And then you actually just charge this as well, which is super convenient. So you just charge right here with the battery and that's gonna charge it fully. And it comes with a backup battery as well, which is super convenient so that you're not stuck waiting for it to charge. You can just always have one charged and ready to go. So super easy installation, just really fun. I'm gonna just show you. Perfect. So yep, just buttons here, playback is on the other side, just everything that comes with the digital camera. But it is so nice because this is like a kid-friendly camera, which is huge. I don't want to buy my kiddos a super expensive digital camera because I don't know that they'll take care of it. But I do want to buy them a camera that they'll use and that they can do that is kid-friendly, which this one is. Comes with a carrying bag, comes with a wrist strap, like I said, comes with 2 batteries as well as the SD card, the charger. It comes with everything you need and it also comes with the cleaner. So this is awesome, you guys. Absolutely love this. My kids are loving this. Like I said, takes videos and photos, which is really cool, and comes with everything you need to just get rolling with it. It does not take any additional steps. So hop on, check this one out if you've got kiddos. This is a perfect starter digital camera for them.